And girls, you're welcome to Everyday Good channel where we learn how to make easy cash using our smartphones. So guys, today's video is for my Amazon KDP group. So if you're into Amazon KDP or have anything to do with Amazon KDP, this video is for you. So this is going to be a really short video, but in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can add page numbers to your book easily. So I'm just going to head over to Canva so I can show you guys how I add page numbers to my book easily without too much stress. Okay, so I'm just going to head over to Canva now. So guys, we are right here on Canva and this is a coloring book. I'm going to be using this as an example. So this is what I'm going to be doing here is all for free. You don't have to use the paid version of Canva, and I'm going to be showing how I add numbers to my book pages easily for free using the free version of Canva. And you can do this using your smartphone. As you can see, I'm using my smartphone to record this, and if I can do it with my smartphone, you can also do it with your smartphone easily, right? So this is my coloring book. And guys, if you want me to do a video on how to do coloring book easily for free, you can leave your comments in the comment section and I'm going to know if I'm going to make that video or not. But this is just a simple coloring book I want to use for this video. So this coloring book is about football coloring book for kids. Basically, kids love football, so I'm going to be like using this as an example to show you guys how I'm going to be adding pages to this coloring book. So right here is the title page, then this is the first color. This is not a book I'm going to publish. I just did it to show you guys how I'm going to be adding page numbers to this book. Okay, so this here is my my title. The title page normally doesn't have a page number, so we're going to be leaving that out. But this is going to be my page 1, page 2, and my page 3. So I just did 3 pages in all so I could show you guys as an example. So if I click in here, you're going to see that we have 4 pages in total here. So let's see how I can add these page numbers to the book itself. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on text where it says text here. You're going to click on there. You're going to scroll and click on where it says page numbers. I'm just going to click on that. Then as you can see, the pages are updated. So this is the first one here. Sorry, this is the first page here. This page number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. If you can see, due to my editing of my coloring book, this number 1 is not placed well, but we have to edit all that. And since I don't want my title page to have a number, I'm also going to edit that. So let's go ahead to edit. So I'm just going to click on edit here where it says edit, right here where it says edit. So I'm just going to click on that. Then where it says all pages, I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to untick page 1. I don't want it to be numbers. I'm going to click on done. So as you can see, this particular page doesn't have no number anymore, so we've done that. So I want to like adjust the position of the numbers. As you can see here, page number 2 is not fully properly placed. This one too is not also properly placed. So what are we going to do? We're going to get head over to editing once more. So we're going to go back to editing the numbers. So I'm just going to go back here, then click on the number. I have to pick it first, then I'm going to click on edit again. Then what are we going to do next? Where it says appearance and position, that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm just going to adjust this, the number 2. I'm going to adjust it to place it properly. Let's see, I'm just going to bring it down a bit, and this is very okay for my page. So I'm not going to click on it. I'm going to click on edit again. Then I'm going to click on apply properties to all pages, and properties apply to all pages. So let's see if the page number 3 and 4 have been adjusted at once. So as you can see, it's adjusted. As you can see, it is adjusted. So this is how you can put page numbers to your book easily on Canva. So you basically can create coloring books on Canva. And if you want me to do that video once again, leave it in the comment section. So let's get back. I think I want to show you guys something. So over here where it says format, which is numbers only, if you want to add not just the number. If you want to add page one, like with the word page, like page one, page two, page three, you can also do that using this bar here. So it's saying numbers only, but if I want to make it just page number, I'm gonna click on that. So I think I clicked on the last one. Okay, here for the last one it says page one of so amount. So I have 4 pages here. It's gonna be showing me, instead of just number one or just number two, I'm gonna be saying page two of 4 pages. So if you want that to make your book unique, you can also keep it like this. If you also just want for it to show just page one, page two, page three, you're going to click on the middle one here. So I'm not going to click on that. As you can see, we have page two, page three, and page four. So basically this is how you can add page numbers to your books on Canva. So I don't think this is lapping very well, so I'm just going to go ahead to adjust this. I'm going to click on edit. Let me just adjust it. You can also put it at the middle. You can also put it at the middle, guys. I think it's at the middle here. So you can also reduce the font size. You can also reduce the font size. So I feel like the 20 is too big, so I'm just gonna give it 16. Let's see. Yeah, this is better. So I'm just gonna go ahead to click on it, then click on edit, then apply properties to all pages. So let's see what our page 3 is gonna look like now. Page 3, page 2, and that's how you can add pages to your page numbers to your books and edit it. I know most of you have had problem doing this using the manual method, which is a bit harder or more difficult than it is. This is really simple. You can use this method for your non-fiction books, your coloring books, your cookbooks, and more. So this is it for this video, guys. I just want to show you guys this trick. Instead of going the hard way, you can also use Canva to add page numbers to your coloring book. What it's looking like, and this is our page number where it says page 2, this is page 3, and page 4. So this is just an example of how you can add page numbers to your coloring book. I just created an example. So if you want me to also do videos on coloring book, like I said earlier, leave that in the comment section. Ensure you subscribe to the channel, you leave a comment if you have questions, you also like the video so others can see this video and how they can like easily add page numbers for themselves. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for reaching the end of this very short video, and I'll see you in my next video, guys.